Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to create a subdomain using cPanel and also set up WordPress on the subdomain. So here at WPMadEasy, we're gonna go to the cPanel and scroll down to domains, subdomains, and create a subdomain. So let's see demo. You can this is the main domain, and this is the subdomain, and you can also set up the document root and document path and create. Go back. Now that we have created the subdomain, we're gonna go and set up the WordPress on the subdomain. So we go back, go to WordPress. Now at WordPress, we're gonna install a new WordPress. Install now, and we're gonna choose where we should install it. Now we have demo.utrail.com. Here you can choose if it's HTTPS or HTTP www. I prefer HTTPS. I guess the SSL certification has expired. I want WordPress to be installed on the domain and not in another directory, so I'm gonna delete this. Here you can choose the preferred WordPress version. Also you can change the seat name and seat description, create an admin username and the password. It's always recommended to change the admin and password, so just for security. So that's now that I have created a new password. I can change also the admin email. You can limit login attempts. You can use the classical editor. Now you can also choose a theme from here. So I will just select this one and install. We'll just wait until the installation is done. Here we go. Now let's check our website. We go to demo.utrail.com/WordPress So the theme we choose needs the contact form and one-click import. So begin install plugins. Just to install the plugins and install, apply. Dashboard. We need to activate the plugins. Now let's see plugins we have here. New display organizer here. So we need to visit site. Maybe it will have no content. Okay, have little the hello world post. Here is the subdomain created. Now let's import demo content. Here we go. Import demo data. Import demo data. Good. So now let's check the website once again. Here we go. Here is the full website, the hero section, and navigation with home, about us, and blog. Nice. Now we have this stem. It contains images and everything. I just want to check the website speed. So I'm gonna head to page speed insights and paste the link. So waiting to see the results. Well, for mobile it's 58 and that's pretty much enough, but needs more optimization. So we have too much CSS. Initial server, okay. We have images need to be optimized. We need to lazy load some images. Remove annual CSS. Initial, okay. You need to store some fonts. This is for icons, social media. And we need to build some cache for images and some scripts and CSS. Good. Let's see for desktop. It's better. For desktop it's 83 and that's better, but we need some optimization. I also believe that theme is not really heavy. This is good. There is not much content on the homepage. There is not much content on the homepage, and that helps in optimizing. We have an about us page, a blog, and contact us page. So now I will try to optimize this website, trying different themes and different plugins, and we'll publish videos on best plugins that really works. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.